so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up the spring Walmart beauty box, and I believe this is the most affordable beauty subscription. So the Walmart beauty box costs only $5 and it is seasonal, so you get it 4 times a year. So they pretty much say it's like free and you pay $5 for shipping, and it can honestly be pretty good. Like sometimes it could be kind of lame. You can get like mostly like foil packets, but I would say pretty much always you get your $5 worth. I have no idea what's in this box. I may have seen some people post videos, I feel like it was a while ago, but I didn't see any, and sometimes the boxes can be different, so anyways, I will link the Walmart Beauty Box website down below if you're interested in signing up for $5 every season, so $20 a year. I think the box is cute, so it has like the Walmart logo but with lipstick swatches. That's super cute. Yeah, let's get this open and see, is it worth my $5? When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Oh, something dropped out. But it says, wait, is this the winter box? Am I getting this way late? It's April, it's officially spring. But it says Winter Wonders. And then it talks about reviewing it. So if you review these products on their website, you get entered to win a $100 gift card. I thought for sure this was spring, but like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna read what it says right here in the box. It says, here's to self-care and skincare to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. So yeah, is this the winter box? Doesn't matter either way. Let's just get started. So the first thing I see here, this looks like it could be full size. Color Lab or Color Lub, the Future of Color nail polish. And this is in, what shade is it in? I don't know. But here's the packaging, and I would say probably full size, right? Oh yeah, this is cute. So Color Club. I said Color Lub. Color Club. I feel like I've heard of this brand. It's like a nude color. The shade name on here is called Take It or Leaf It. So it's like a beige color. This is definitely full size. I'm curious just to like see how much their polishes are. I have the Walmart app on my phone, like I do Walmart grocery pickup, so I wonder if I can look it up there. Yeah, their Color Club nail polishes are all $6.72, so just this nail polish is more than what I paid for the box. I just filmed a video before this where I was talking about nail polish. I normally don't do my own nails. I usually get a dip manicure every 4 to 5 weeks, but due to, you know, current times, I took my dip nail polish off myself and plan on doing my nails more. So I'm not really unhappy to get a nail polish like this. I think this is a good nude color. Yeah, let's move on to the next item. Already got our money's worth though. NYX, I like NYX. So this is NYX Professional Makeup Crew. I don't know what that means yet. This is a 2-piece set. What are you? I feel like in last month's or last season's box, did we get a full-size lips, like lingerie by NYX? I think we might have. Oh yay! Oh my god, I am so excited. I love this. I did not know what to expect was inside just because it said Makeup Crew. But 2 of their soft matte lip creams. Well, there's one soft matte lip cream and one soft matte metallic lip cream. I love these. Let me get these out so I can swatch them. Okay, 2 items in. I'm sold. This was worth it. I'm super excited about these. So this is what they look like on the outside. Normally the color matches. So first let's swatch the soft matte lip cream. What shade is this in? This is in California. I really do like this formula. Ooh, and that looks like a pretty shade. Pretty everyday shade. And then the soft matte metallic lip cream, and this is in the shade also California. So we both have the, so we have 2 different formulations of the shade California. Let's see what one we like better. They smell good. So yeah, just different like finishes or different formulations, but same color. I feel like I might wear the matte more, but I kind of like the metallic too. It's definitely better than other metallic lip formulas I've tried. Like I had a Too Faced metallic lip or whatever they're called, and I just couldn't get down with that. But this one, the color is way more my style, and I don't think it's like too metallic. and I am so excited. I think these are like $5 too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get like the same size, and they're like $6.47, at least on their website. You might be able to find some cheaper in store. Well, you guys, this box is awesome. We have a few more things to go. Next one, I'm really excited. I love when I get stuff like that is very useful, even if it's not that exciting, like toothpaste in my boxes. Because right now I'm just using a sample of toothpaste, so I'm definitely excited to get this. This is by Colgate. This is their Optic White Renewal. It's supposed to remove 10 years of yellow stains. My teeth have been looking raunchy. Oh my god, I was filming a video earlier and I had lipstick on my teeth. I'm okay right now, I think. I guess this is new also. So it's made with hydrogen peroxide, 3%, high impact white, sugar-free, enamel safe, gluten-free and vegan. Yeah, I'm honestly really excited to get toothpaste, especially if it can whiten these teeth of mine. I just love coffee and I love wine and that combination. So this is a good size too. Normally I would say I'd keep this for my travel bag, but I don't think I'll be traveling anywhere anytime soon. And also I could use some toothpaste, and now I don't have to leave the house to get any. Alright, there's 2 more things left. The second to last item is by Jergens. This is the Jergens Body Butter collection in lavender. It's supposed to soothe and smooth, made with calming lavender essential oil and a triple butter blend. So this is not full size, but definitely large enough that you can you know, see how you like it before you buy the full thing. I've tried Jergens stuff in the past and really liked them. Pretty sure they're not cruelty free, but I love using like lavender scented lotions. I actually have a lotion I apply before bed that's like a mixture of calming oils and stuff like that, but I think it seriously does make a difference. Lavender has a calming effect, so if you apply it before bed, you might sleep a little bit better, so that's nice. And the last item, I would consider this to be full size because it is a face mask. This is by Earth to Skin Superfruits Watermelon Sheet Mask. It is hydrating, radiance boosting, and if it smells like watermelon, that is amazing. I'm like totally into the watermelon like craze that's been going on. Maybe it's over. I'm always like late to the trends, but I love the scent of watermelon. I feel like it's been in a lot of things. I mean, fragrance I don't really want in my skincare, but for like sheet mask or cleansers, it doesn't really bother me as much. But anyways, on the back it says, Superfruits are packed with rejuvenating vitamins that help to boost skin's natural radiance. This refreshing watermelon sheet mask is infused with watermelon fruit extract that hydrates skin and sodium hyaluronate that helps to plump and boost skin's radiance. So, gives you some directions. You just use it like a normal face mask, wash and dry your cleanse your skin, dry your face, put the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes, remove it, and then just pat in the remaining essence. It says, we don't test on animals, great to know, and it's made with 100% cotton. So I am excited to get this. I think this was like the best $5 spent ever. Like, I mean, for boxes at least. So we got a sheet mask, not one, but 2 NYX lip creams. So they're soft, matte, metallic lip cream. And I think that's so cool. It comes in a set of the same color but different finishes, and I think that is a beautiful color. As long as they're sending us out like weird shades, you know, or like super bold shades that you can't wear all the time. The nail polish I'm not like the most excited for, but this is definitely full size, more than what I paid for the box. I think this is nice for like a neutral nail look. Toothpaste, totally stoked about. The one thing I just might not use and pass along is this body butter, but I still think that's cool that they included it. The only other things remaining in the box are like some like coupons or like some information. So there's some information on the Jergens. It says it's mood transforming moisturizer. So yeah, it's supposed to be calming like I said. They also have one that's softening and one that's energizing. And then we have here some more information about the toothpaste and then the NYX. So, rock it, mix it, own it. Get obsessed with our #1 cult classic lip icon. So it says a soft matte lip cream delivers a burst of creamy color that sets to a stunning matte finish, light on the lips and heavy on the pigmentation, and no wonder this sweetly scented formula is a fan fave. And then want to switch things up? Top your favorite lippy with a soft matte metallic lip cream for a statement making matte metallic finish. And then it has a cruelty-free thing right there. You guys, I think this was so great. Whether it's winter or spring or whatever season it is. I'm guessing it's winter because it says Winter Wonders, but I think this was so great and so worth the $5, totally. So if you guys want to get in on this, I don't know what you'll get. I'm guessing if you sign up now, you won't get the winter box. If this is the winter box, you'll probably get spring. I don't know when the hell they ship, but I can't complain because it's $5 and it freaking is awesome. If you guys got this box, is it winter? Is it spring? And also, when did you get it? Like, did I get it way late? Even if I did, yeah, like I said, not complaining, it's great. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.